Hey everyone, welcome to today's Talk About. My name is Blaine Behringer. I'm a managing partner here at Earthbound Media Group, and I have with me Camille Strickland. She's our Client Services Director for Healthcare. And today we're going to talk to you about the Healthcare Internet Conference that both of us just attended in Orlando, Florida. So Camille, thanks for joining me today.
No problem.
Tell me about the Healthcare Internet Conference. What did you experience while you're there?
The Healthcare Internet Conference seems to be targeted at technologists and the more IT professionals who work in healthcare organizations and help marketing and communications professionals to sort of manage these systems of communication and also help other professionals in the healthcare organization to manage communication in patient care arenas. So the Greystone.net conference really focused on what's happening in healthcare as it relates to communications and marketing, but also how IT professionals could help support the work that these professionals are doing and sort of partner and sort of address a collaboration that's necessary at this point in healthcare communications that hasn't been seen before.
Great. And how would you say this conference differed from maybe like other healthcare conferences that Earthbound Media Group attends?
I think we tend to attend ones that are focused on healthcare marketing. And this is very different. We spoke to a lot of people who served more web editing roles, content development roles for the web. Very tech-focused professionals attended or seemed to attend this conference, which was really nice. We got a chance to sort of stern the conversation more toward the technology work that we do and engage them in that way. So
yeah, I would agree with you. I specifically had conversations with a couple of the partners that we work with, including Ectron, who is a software company that develops a content management system for web content management. And they actually were sort of putting out there something new for them, which is that their content management system was just endorsed by the American Hospital Association for the first time ever. So pretty exciting things happening at this conference that we saw, and it's kind of nice to be sort of in the crux of all of that in terms of being a partner with Ectron.
Definitely.
Do you think this conference was a good fit for Earthbound Media Group?
I do. I think, you know, a lot of the work that we do throughout the year tends to be more in the marketing communication area. And it's really nice, I think, as a healthcare marketing professional to sort of interact some more, like I said, with people who work on the IT side. It's sort of what we do. We call ourselves a tech-focused marketing agency. And it really allowed us to sort of talk more about that than we have, I think, in the past. And so I think this is one that we'd really like to focus on attending more frequently and definitely attending again, just because we know what we're going to be talking about there and how different it is from, you know, our, I would say, usual work.
Very good. I know Earthbound Media Group on our website, we have some information with respect to Facebook and some research that we did a few months ago explaining how and what hospitals are doing on Facebook.
Yes.
And so if you have a chance, check that out. It's within the Knowledge Center. There's a webinar and a download. Last question, what do we plan to do next year at this conference?
Well, next year we'll definitely be in Las Vegas at the Healthcare Internet Conference. I think what we're hoping to do is showcase some of the work we've done in road mapping and CMS implementation. I think it's very important for organizations to start thinking about setting a plan in place, not just sort of flailing and going, hey, let's try this because it's new and it's hot and it's trendy. I think you leave a little bit of wiggle room to bring in some of those things as they happen or emerge. But I think a plan is important, and I'd really like us to sort of talk some more to the people we interact with at these conferences about setting roadmaps in place. We have a few clients who've done that and have managed to stick to their roadmap, a 5-year plan that says this is where we want our website to be in 5-10 years. And I'd really like to encourage professionals to start thinking about the web as this holistic thing that they can map out and then determine who the players are and push that project forward in a very collaborative manner.
Fantastic. And I know we have a mobile application coming out for one of our clients who's happens to be the largest hospice provider in the United States. So we'll be happy to showcase that as well at the next conference. So with that, I think we'll close it out. We appreciate you watching this talk about and hope you can find some helpful content within our Knowledge Center, and we'll see you soon.